Hey guys, and thanks for joining me for another video today. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a what's in my fridge video. I'm sure you guys have seen Missy from the Welder'S wife. She kind of started this trend of showing what's in your fridge every week, and I absolutely love watching her videos. Luckily for me, I am also collabing with Missy this week, as well as Amanda from Mom's Messy Kitchen. So I will of course be linking both their channels below, as well as the video links, so you can see what's in their fridge as well. I also wanted to mention that myself, Missy, and Amanda will be hosting an open collab for Thanksgiving recipes. So that means that there will be a playlist that will be open to everybody. All you have to do is make a video showcasing your favorite Thanksgiving recipe, side dishes or desserts or whatever you like to make for your family, whatever's special to you guys, whatever you all love to eat on Thanksgiving, and add it to our playlist so we can share it with everybody else. The collab will be hosted on November 12th at 2:45 Central Time. And of course, we will go ahead and post the link to the playlist 24 hours before it goes live. That way everybody has a chance to post their video there. I am so looking forward to seeing everybody's recipes. Thanksgiving is such a time for family and food, and there are no two better things in the world. How can you not be pumped about that? All you have to do is make your video and make sure that you mention Amanda, Missy, and myself, and link our channels in your description box, and that is it. Add it to our playlist, and like I said, I cannot wait to see what everybody posts. I'm so down for it. I'm already thinking of stuff, so definitely cannot wait to see that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into what's in my fridge. Okay, so I just want to give you guys a quick overview before I give you like the lowdown. I'm not going to be doing my freezer. I just didn't think about it, but next time I will. If you guys like these videos and you want me to continue to post them like once a month or whatever, just let me know. But yeah, I'll show you the inside close up right now. So, Manny, what are you doing in here? So, of course, you smell any type of food, you're there, huh, girl? Alright, so we'll start at the top. I guess, so actually there's the whole overview, and I just want to say, I know this looks bad, but we had company, and we were tailgating, because we went to the FSU Wake Forest game, and, you know, we overbought, I guess. So my refrigerator usually looks a little more responsible than this. But you know, you have people over, you have a party, that's what's left over. So there is some water back there. If you look really closely, you can see some water and some Gatorade. So we're still good people, but you know how it goes. So anyways, like I said, I'm gonna start back up at the top here. So back here I have some ricotta, and some sour cream. I have some leftover couscous and some leftover spinach dip. This was so good. I'm probably gonna make a video on it. It's delicious. And then I got some eggs. I got some Cool Whip and some leftover, I don't know, this is how bad this is. I don't know what that is. So probably gonna throw that one out. I got 2 things of blackberries. I got some cream cheese, some queso. I'm probably gonna throw this out because this was terrible. I got it at Walmart. It was rough, not a fan. So yeah, there's that. And then I got these Dean's French onion dip. This has like been my favorite since I was a kid. I absolutely love this stuff. I don't know, it's really good to me anyway. And so I also got this Philadelphia spinach and artichoke like dip, I guess. And I'm going to try to do something kind of like a recipe with that. So that's back there. I've got some sausage and some chicken in here. So on the second level, I've got this chicken bacon ranch flatbread from Walmart. I've got 2 types of grapes. I've got the little mini peppers. And then way in the back there, I have a sad looking pineapple that I'm going to have to throw out, which sucks. But that's back there. And then I have this little like miscellaneous drawer. I've got some shredded cheese back here. I've got some garlic, hot dogs. I got these little peeled carrots because I couldn't fit them in my veggie drawer, so I just put them in there. I've got some hummus and some shredded rotisserie chicken. And then down here I have a puppy, and like I said, we've got a little bit of everything down here. I'm probably gonna put this elsewhere because we're not gonna drink all this, but I'll move that later when I'm not so tired. But yeah, I'll blame my friends. It was their fault. So I got some White Claws and some Bud Light, and there's some other kind of beer in the back. I'm not a beer drinker, but I got some waters and some Gatorade and some Diet Coke. Let me tell you guys about this Gatorade. Hold on. This is like one of my favorite Gatorades ever. There's like another one that's really good too, and I don't remember what it's called. This is fantastic. Arctic Blitz. Definitely check this out if you can find it. We got it at Walmart, so I'm pretty sure everybody can get it at Walmart, but I definitely love this Gatorade. I also have some Pure Leaf brewed tea. I got it in the lemon. I don't know if anybody else has had this issue. I thought that I liked iced tea until I came to the South and tasted what their sweet tea is, and I guess there's a difference. I liked like the brisk iced tea or the Lipton iced tea that came out of like the soft drink machine. So when they were like, oh, do you want sweet tea? I'm like, yeah, sure. And I like almost died when I tried it. So I'm trying this lemon Pure Leaf tea and seeing how that works. And I also have an opened thing of broth back there and a thing of half and half. And then I also have 2% milk. So as far as my drawers go, oh, that's gross. So let's see. I don't want it to like detach. I have a lot of peppers in this one because they had a, what are those called? Like a variety pack at Wegmans when we went this weekend. So I picked that up. And then I've got some celery in here. Let's see, let's move this guy as well. I've got some zucchini and some cabbage. And I think that's all I've got in this guy. Just want to make sure this doesn't hit the drawer when I close it. Okay. And then in this guy, ooh, whoops. I've got some cucumber, little baby cucumbers. And then I've got some of these little tiny lettuces. I get these from Costco and I love them. They're so cute and I like them to make salads. So I think for a pack of 6 it was $4. So they're really reasonably priced and they're just really good. So under that, this is some corn. Also got that from Costco and we only made half of the big pack. I've got a red onion back here. Some sliced up peppers, so like the ends, like the other pieces of them. When you guys see me make recipes and I only use like half a pepper, I'll just keep them. Like I'll slice them and I'll keep them in a Ziploc bag. And then I got some carrots. I almost forgot to show you guys Josh's favorite drawer in the whole fridge. This is our like cold cut drawer. I do have my 2 yogurts in here. Only because they don't have like a space really, and they were like, there's only 2 left, so I stuck them in there. So I've just got some salami in here, probably like 80 different kinds of cheese because I think we're like out of meat except for salami. So American cheese. I've actually got some shredded cheese in here, some provolone. Yeah. I've got some like brick cheese, Munster cheese. Some like, what are those called? Some straggler cheese sticks. And then I have some puff pastry as well. This is literally just like fancy like crescent rolls. It makes everything that you make look amazing and super professional. So I'll be posting my what's for dinner and you'll see how awesome this is. Alright, so this is the top shelf, maybe, I guess you'd call this. Like little in the door insert thing. So I've just got butter up here from Harris Teeter and Trader Joe's. I've got 2 things of pickles. One sliced like for sandwiches and burgers and stuff, and then one of the small baby like petite snack crunchers. So I've got that. I've got some of this lemon juice. I've got some Dijon mustard. I like literally never use this, only for like one recipe, so it's just chilling. And then I've got some hoisin sauce. This is basically like Asian style barbecue sauce. Absolutely love this stuff. I put it in like everything that I make that's Asian. I've got some dill relish. I love pickles any way they come, so I'm sorry. I have like 3 different kinds of pickles in here. And then I got some of the Parmesan cheese. Ooh, God bless it. How do I? Whatever, you guys. There it is. Like, I was gonna be like, you guys know what it looks like. If it's not gonna turn, it's not gonna turn. But yeah, I got some Parmesan cheese in there. I got some half and half. Some of this Marzetti ranch, and it's just like cold ranch. It's okay. It's good with wings because it's like super cold, but other than that, I'm not like super impressed. I've got some bacon bits back here. I've got some Worcestershire sauce. I know everybody pronounces this differently, so this, you know, Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire or whatever you want to call it. Got some of that. Got some soy sauce, Kikkoman soy sauce. This stuff is amazing. I have a brand new bottle because we ran out of the other bottle. This I got from Costco. It's, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like cilantro lime crema. Seems pretty, you know, accurate. It's really, really good though, and it's like garlicky too. And it reminds me of a sauce that I used to get all the time at a restaurant in South Florida. Pollo Tropical is like one of the best, actually probably is the best, like fast food / drive-thru places. It is so good. If you're ever in South Florida and you're looking for something quick, highly, highly recommend. I miss that so much living in North Carolina. Definitely one of my favorites. Always so good. But anyway, this tastes like one of the sauces that we had there, which is like one of my favorite parts. So I go through this rather quickly, but it is so good on literally, we've had it with burgers, steak, chicken. It's good on everything. So yeah, definitely if you have Costco near you and you're into this kind of food, pick that up. I promise it's so good. So next up I have crescent dough sheets. And then on the second row, we don't have the bottom one. I don't know what we rent, so I don't know what happened to this fridge before I got it, but yeah. So I have some mild salsa. It's the Great Value salsa. I love this stuff. I'm really, really, really impressed with the Great Value brand of salsa, so we have that. I've got some strawberry fruit spread. That sounds like super processed. I don't know, but it's good. It says natural, whatever. I don't know. It's like strawberry jam or jelly, but I like it because I don't have to see. Y'all are gonna get me into my like my freak out moments when people are using a knife and they put it in like butter or peanut butter and then they stick it in the jam jar. Oh my gosh, I can't deal. Cannot handle that. So I have the little spreadable one, like the squeeze bottle one. So yeah. I've got some ranch, of course. This is Josh's like taco sauce. He puts it on whatever Mexican food I make. I've got some whipped cream, some Greek salad dressing. I've got this buffalo ranch. What are you doing down there? I've got some buffalo ranch from this Moore's brand. I see everybody haul this. So I got the buffalo ranch to put on some wings. So that sounds like fun. I got some Italian dressing. I've got some mustard. I got, what is this? Oh, stir fry sauce. I love this brand. I get it at Publix. I haven't seen it at Walmart, but it's really good. If you can find it, I suggest it for sure. Okay, and I have my coffee creamer, my butterscotch latte. I know everybody has like pumpkin spice right now, but I don't know. I still love my little butterscotch flavor, so I keep that. And then I've got some ketchup, a huge bottle of ketchup, good Lord. And then I have mayonnaise. I'm a Hellmann's girl, but honestly, like, people are pressuring the Dukes right now, so I don't know, I might have to try out Duke's mayonnaise. But I have the squeeze bottle for the same reason I have the squeeze bottle of jelly. I've got some biscuits, and then I've got some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce that I lost the sticker to, apparently, in some sort of struggle. But, yeah, so that is everything that is in my fridge right now. So I'll give you one last look over. I don't know if I said Cool Whip earlier, but there's Cool Whip in the back. But, yeah, I'll give you one last look over everything. I'm trying to fix it. Oh, goodness gracious, the light. So, but yeah, that's everything I've got in my fridge, guys. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed looking at what's in my fridge. Definitely don't forget to go check out Missy and Amanda's videos. I will definitely link them below. Let me know in the comments below what is one thing that you cannot live without that you have to have in your fridge at all times. Mine changes, but as of lately, it's definitely that cilantro lime sauce. Everybody, I hope you guys have a blessed and awesome week, and I will talk to you later.